안녕하세요. Hi everyone, I'm Jake. Thanks for watching. In our last video, we learned how to use 잘 and 못 as independent adverbs with a space before a verb. Today, we're going to look at their single word counterparts, 잘하다 and 못하다. This time, there's no space. They are completely unified verbs that mean to do something well or to do something poorly. Now, let's dive into the details. First, let's look at a quick comparison table to see how these single word verbs work. Use 잘하다 when you want to describe someone's general talent or skill in one solid word. Use 못하다 when someone's simply bad at something due to a lack of skill. Let's look at how we conjugate them based on the tense and politeness level. Notice how there's absolutely no space between 잘 or 못 and the 하다 part. They are single verbs. You often attach a noun with the object marker 을을 right before them. For example, 노래를 잘하다 or 수영을 못하다. Now let's practice making full sentences across different tenses with these single word verbs. 한국어, Korean language. I'm good at Korean. 저는 한국어를 잘해요. I was bad at Korean last year. 저는 작년에 한국어를 못했어요. I'll be good at Korean if I study every day. 매일 공부하면 저는 한국어를 잘할 거예요. Game, gaming. My friend's good at games. 제 친구는 게임을 잘해요. I was bad at games when I was a kid. 저는 어렸을 때 게임을 못했어요. We'll be good at this game if we practice. 연습하면 우리는 이 게임을 잘할 거예요. 노래, singing. My little sister's good at singing. 제 여동생은 노래를 잘해요. I was bad at singing in the past. 저는 옛날에 노래를 못했어요. My son will be good at singing in the future. 제 아들은 나중에 노래를 잘할 거예요. 요리, cooking. I'm bad at cooking. 저는 요리를 못해요. My dad was good at cooking before. 제 아버지는 예전에 요리를 잘했어요. My daughter will be good at cooking soon. 제 딸은 곧 요리를 잘할 거예요. Here's one very important nuance rule. When you use the single word 못하다, it implies a general lack of ability or talent. If you say 운전을 못해요, it means I'm a bad driver or I don't know how to drive. But remember from our last lesson, if you say 운전을 못해요 with a space, it means I cannot drive right now, perhaps due to a broken leg or drinking alcohol. Spacing can change the meaning. All right, let's see how native speakers use these in real life conversations. My Dutch friend speaks Korean well. 제 네덜란드 친구는 한국어를 잘해요. What's your friend's secret? 그 친구의 비결이 뭐예요? I think she's good at listening. 제 생각에 그 친구는 듣기를 잘해요. Oh, I see. 그렇군요. Were you good at math? 수학을 잘했어요? No, I was really bad at it. 아니요, 수학을 정말 못했어요. Why? 왜요? I couldn't memorize math formulas. 수학 공식을 못 외웠어요. You'll become good at singing if you keep practicing. 연습하면 노래를 잘할 거예요. I don't think so. 모르겠어요. Why? 왜요? I'm really bad at keeping the beat. 박자를 정말 못 맞춰요. Today we covered how to use the single word verbs 잘하다 and 못하다. Now you know how much of a difference a tiny space can make. 잘하다 with a space means to perform an action well, while 잘하다 without a space describes a general ability or skill. However, both of them can mean the same in many cases, especially in spoken Korean. So pay close attention to the context. Make sure to practice writing this so you don't confuse the spacing rules. Alright, I think we can wrap it up here for today. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.